In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your payments to deposits in QuickBooks Online, focusing particularly on undeposited funds. This is a very useful skill for ensuring that your financial records are as tidy and up to date as possible, helping to maintain the clarity and accuracy of your business accounts. To begin, we need to sign into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page, and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Now you'll be directed to enter your login credentials. Type in your username and password carefully, making sure they are both correct to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Once that's done, hit continue. After successfully logging in, we'll proceed by locating the Transactions tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking this tab will reveal a drop-down menu. Here you should see a list of various transaction options you can work with. Next up, we're going to navigate to the Chart of Accounts section, which is also found within this Transactions menu. Clicking on that will open up a new set of options. Inside the Chart of Accounts, you'll find all your company's accounts neatly organized, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Use the search function to locate undeposited funds. You can do this by typing undeposited funds into the search bar provided. Once it's visible on the list, click on View Register. This option allows you to review all the transactions associated with your undeposited funds, providing a comprehensive overview. Now with the register open, you'll see a list of individual transactions. Find the particular transaction that you need to work on. Clicking directly on the transaction will give you an opportunity to make any necessary edits. A detailed view of that transaction will open up. Look for the edit button and click it. It's essential for making any changes to a specific transaction, ensuring the information in your records is as accurate as possible. Once you've reviewed and are satisfied with the changes, it's time to finalize the process. Simply click on Save and Close to ensure all your edits are securely stored within QuickBooks Online. This final step will not only record the modifications you've made, but also help in cleaning up your undeposited funds, moving the transaction to your bank's deposits. By following these steps, you've efficiently cleared your payments to deposits, helping streamline your accounts and significantly enhancing the organization of your financial data. With practice, you'll find that maintaining these records becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us again for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.